Hi, my name is Justin Smallwood, and this is my initial self-assessment assignment for Psych 808. For this assignment, I will be going over the 4 learning objectives for the course and any experience that I may have, as well as my 2 additional goals that I set for myself. Objective 1, develop knowledge of theory, research, and applications of personnel selection. I have a little bit of experience with applying and using selection in my current job. I select employees and we go through the interview process and hiring process. So I have some knowledge of selection when it comes to applying it. And then academic wise, just developing knowledge of theory and research and prior courses and for similar areas of IO. And that base knowledge, maybe not specifically for selection, will come in handy and help aid myself throughout the course. Objective number 2, examine the implications of empirical findings and transfer research and practice and personnel selection. Again, academic experience just related to research in general and empirical findings, and just having the knowledge of how to conduct research and to understand the findings and how to relate it to what I'm looking for. Will just, like I said, maybe not specifically with regards to selection in the past, but just having that base knowledge and experience will help. Objective number 3, explain the ethical, legal, and professional standards in personnel selection. Like I said, I have selected employees, interviewed, and went through the whole hiring process at my current place of employment and prior with prior organizations. So I think I have at least a base understanding of ethical, legal, and professional standards when it comes to selection that will only help aid me and at least give me a great starting point for the course. Objective 4, demonstrate the ability to integrate their understanding of the topics in selection and present for an appropriate audience. Again, just academic wise, in prior courses, whether it be research papers, group presentations, PowerPoints, just anything in basically every class. At some point I had to do some kind of project. So just gathering the information on a specific topic, presenting it in a manner that was nice and neat and translated well. Again, it's just that base knowledge and experience will help throughout the course of selection as well. And then my 2 additional goals that I have set for myself. The first would be just to improve my skill set and overall ability in regards to selection. In my current position, like I said, I do a little bit of that, and then I have done it in my prior places of employment. So at the end of the course, I just hope to look back and say that I have grown as an employee in my current position, and I have learned enough throughout the course that it makes me a better employee. So I just hope that I gain enough knowledge and throughout the course of theory, of like selection theories and research, that I'm a better employee for it. And then I just hope to gain more knowledge on the topic of differentiating between candidates with identical qualifications and resumes, and implementing it in my current position. So just basically, if candidate A and candidate B have similar resumes and qualifications, what's going to be the turning point to make someone pick A or B? So those off the paper kind of qualifications that you might not see, that I think would help me in my position, and something that I've always been interested in. So I'm looking forward to the class, and I can't wait to get started.